Hello everybody, here is your 2-minute tip for getting the most out of probono.net/LA. There's a separate 2-minute tip for adding library resources, so go to the library page to see that. Here we're going to focus on a few other things. You can join a group or email list. Click Groups here or here. That'll take you to the Groups page. You can look over the different kinds of groups and the descriptions, and if you see the word subscribe, you can click to subscribe. My view looks a little bit different. The group's moderators will review your request to subscribe to the group. Go back to the home page. You can look at the calendar here. The calendar belongs to you and every other member of the site. Here's what the calendar page looks like here. There's also a feed on the home page of the entire site. Click Add an Event. That will let you create an event to share with everybody. Fill in the blank areas. They're pretty much self-explanatory. And you can indicate if CLE credit pertains to your item. It will be reviewed and added to the site if it's right for it and if it's not already there. So here's your 2-minute tip for getting the most out of the site, and hope you enjoy using and contributing to probono.net/LA.